Sponsored by Spectrum Health Medical Group.
U.S. News and World Report recognizes the top 50 children's hospitals across the country every year. Our own Helen DeVos Children's Hospital has ranked on that list for 9 years. Their pediatric cancer and hematology program, led by Dr. James Fahner, has maintained a spot on that list the entire time. And Dr. Fahner is here with us today to discuss what they're doing at the hospital to impact the lives of kids with cancer or blood disorders here in West Michigan, across the country, even around the world. Congratulations, Dr. Fahner. So good to see you.
Thank you, Catherine. It's great to see you too. It is a very exciting day for Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, really for the whole community.
Yeah, what's it mean for all of the aforementioned to receive the recognition that you have yet again?
Well, it's really very humbling and it's gratifying for all of us, all the team here at the Children's Hospital. But what it really means for our community is that this is kind of a national good housekeeping seal of approval for the care that occurs here at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. We're extremely honored to be in such prestigious company, to have 8 of our programs this year ranked in the very top 50 children's hospitals in the nation is really quite an accomplishment, and we're going to celebrate that today.
It certainly is about team too, isn't it, Dr. Fahner? You take a multidisciplinary approach to each and every patient and case, and so it's a recognition of that.
It's exactly right, Catherine. It is very much a team effort, not only within the walls of the Children's Hospital. It's a team that's made up of nurses and social workers and child life specialists, pharmacists, technicians, and technologists all working together. But as you know so well, it's also teamwork outside of the walls of the hospital as well, where we rely on our partnerships with some extraordinary community organizations that help in our work every day. Everything from Gilda's to Make-A-Wish to Hospice of Michigan, as well as an incredible community of supporters and generous donors as well.
Yeah, talk a little bit more about how you come around each patient and family with that in mind. And this truly is what makes it special, the experience.
It really is. It's not exactly just the intimate care team that that you expect to find in the hospitals, the nurses and the physicians, and of course those folks are vitally important. But it's really the wraparound services when we're able to come alongside these children and families at one of their most difficult times. I mean, to learn and diagnosis of childhood cancer is absolutely devastating. It's truly overwhelming. And so to bring a little of the magic and the innocence of childhood back into their lives with programs like Child Life, with pet therapy, with music therapy, with our connection back through our hospital school program to make sure that they're staying connected with vital schoolwork, with PORT, the pediatric oncology resource team, helping the families with everyday needs. All of that comes together to make that journey just a little bit more manageable.
Because the journey and the needs of pediatric patients, it's quite different from anybody else who may be, being treated for cancer.
It certainly is. It's one of our most important messages always is that children are not little adults. One size does not fit all. We know that the developmental stages, the age, these are unique situations for very young children who need to have some very special services designed for them. They don't fit neatly into the adult care system. It's too overwhelming. It's too frightening. It's too outsized for them. When you come into the children's hospital, you know that everything is sized and shaped and colored and designed exclusively for the needs of children and families.
So you celebrate a little bit, the big ranking, and then what? I guess, get back in your scrubs and keep it up, right?
You bet, exactly right. We won't be celebrating for long because we know that there's much too much yet to accomplish. We know that each of those programs is seeing children and families that are in very much need of our care, that are entrusted to our care each and every day. And so through education efforts, through research, we're going to keep pushing those frontiers even further ahead to make sure that kids have better and better treatments and more cures each and every day.
Well, congratulations to you and the whole team at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. Well-deserved recognition. So proud to be in the community that supports and is privileged to use the services there. Thanks, Dr. Fahner.
Thank you so much for helping to tell the story. It's always great to see you. Thanks so much.
You too.